how to add the Visa gift card to Cash App. This is what you will learn in this video step by step. So step 1, open the Cash App and go towards the bottom left hand side and tap this banking tab icon. On the next screen, you need to click the Add Cash button. Subsequently, you have to select an amount that you want to add into your Cash App. Let's say we want to add $50. So we move forward and then we click the Add button, which is at the bottom to continue. Here you need to add the 16-digit card number, which you would find on the Visa gift card. Next, you have to add the expiry date of your card, which again you will find on the card. Here you have to add the 3-digit CVV code, which you will find on the back side of your card. So the next step is to enter your local zip code number. If you do not know the zip code number of your area, you can search the Google and add it here. Once you have filled all the fields, now you just have to click this link card and your funds would be successfully transferred from the Visa gift card to the Cash App.